folks, I've got a little Scout ukulele ready for you today. This is number 660. I put these together when I find the time, just from the scraps from the shop. So in this case, the top and the neck are made from some western red cedar that are salvaged from an old hot tub, and that's the same cedar as these drawers here. It's really funky stuff. Just imagine people soaking in it. The neck too. Then some cherry for the fretboard and head plate. And the back and sides here are some mahogany. And maple binding all around to tie it all together. It's a good little instrument. So you can't order these from me, but we have a little waiting list you can email us about. Yeah, really fun. I'm really happy with this one. It's lightweight and looks good and sounds good, and it's ready to go. 660. Cheers.